This isn't a video about painting. It's about how I moved from addiction to finding purpose. I really didn't think I was going to make it, but something changed, and it all started with surrender. So welcome to Mark Levitt's studio. This video isn't about how to paint. It's about how to see. It's about sobriety and recognizing God's presence and finding your creative calling. We all have struggles in life. Mine happens to be drug and alcohol addiction. I got clean and sober in 1998, and it wasn't easy. There were a lot of failed attempts, and I really didn't think I was going to make it. When I finally reached the point where I couldn't help myself, and I was finally ready to surrender, that's when God met me. And everything changed. I got my life back, my family back. A couple years later, something unexpected happened. God called me to paint, and I'd never painted before. Looking back now, I can see that alcohol and drugs were blocking me from God. And if you feel something when you look at my work, it's not me. It's not the brush strokes. It's His presence. It's something deeper. It's memories. It's a connection. When I focus on sharing that, God does the heavy lifting, and I just go along for the ride. So let me ask you this. Do you feel called to create? It doesn't have to be painting. It could be creating a video, music. It could be something else, something new. It's not a loud voice. It's a quiet nudge. It's a feeling that maybe you're meant for something more. And when this happens, the world will tell you no. You can't do that. You'll starve. But don't listen to that voice. You have to step out in faith. Trust God that He didn't bring you this far for no reason. And He's not finished with you yet, because He brings healing, peace, and purpose if you're willing to follow. And maybe that calling you feel is where it all begins.